Ex-General Secretary, PSF, Mr. Sunil Devarma, and our Vice President, Mr. John, and our Chief Advisor, Mr. Visukumar Devarma, and our TUKS President, Mr. Ranjit Kalai, and we are privileged that we have in the midst of us with us our ex-president, Mr. Mantu Kalai. So, tini belai tong thogo, nirong ni the fresher program ano invite rogai, chief speaker senamani bagai, ang wasok maya tini ang attend kamagan hanai, tani hamale mia fro ang around 2 AM kisah high fever ngai tongmani ang wasok maya tinam ta opportunity ang basagan hanai kebut tini oro kok borok buci arok te tong tala sidi ang mix kai kok sanai boni bagai si anyone kisah yak diti samano joto buci gana okay thank you ani bumung ke hamalu jamatia the General Secretary of Tripura Student Federation. Tesing saklai kana haipana ang nirangno ani bumang muitok klai rogam saga bon bagai yang safi manengga. Tini jeng fresher khailayo. Te fresher ka jeng college ha kangke every year the fresher no welcome khaigen bagai jeng kaisa program host khaiga. Not only in the state of Tripura, Kebangma state, jeng Fatar Hawabu, Jeffrong, Fataro Silongo Pore tong pro jeng TSF nengai jeng fresher jeng organize kaiga. But Jeffrong Tripura payu, te ang belai privilege feel kaiga juni tabuk ni MLA, juni Mr. Bisajit Koloi te juni Mr. Sunil, borok afro President te General Secretary tongmani. Borok ano opportunity rogoi ang tini oro pasal manik layo bonba yang borno bahambai borni leadership borni guidance ang kabang mas serengkap silong ni pirogoi pai je Tripura ni je culture je walking style amora kabang ma ang ketal serenggani ang maka tabok sini Guwahati rogo Silong Alga state dogo seng fresher kaki angke jeng asal speaker kebang narigya max 4 tani omale jeng fresher no kebang opportunity rokogo and we interact with them and jeng cultural program especially resamong masamong ba jeng entertain kai gogo haipano oro phaigai ang kebang ma adapt ma khaika and bone bagai nirong nobo ang khaloga ne bagai ang koinai tini TSF ni history te movement rok to kebang mani rok khanaka te baksa khanagai busigi phan mana waisa wai busia phan mana tini kebang borok TSF first time phan khana mana but thank you very much nirok phaika nirok tabok to internet ni tanai jora jeng klok nai khangke nirok muk utong na jeng TSF taklai bu chini movement rok bahayang di tong ang niron omas sagam sugu tini nirok fresh arok phaigai attend khaima haino chini movement rok bu nirok ni support hamjak ma participate nanggu ne yang nirok no koyo tabok chini movement jeng tong mani in demand of Roman script agini je past no ang saga thanglia but je present scenario tumang tong ang amono kisah sagam sungman se nirok sini movement of mukana stride of mukana ang nirok no koinyai sini bus kani salobu sini movement dong nai I want you all to participate in the movement especially students tabok nirok freshers ang to asupora gereja ang graduate semisi so nirok no ang koinyai ang tabok porelia ang full time ni TSF no I dedicate myself. Bun bang ngiro no koi nai. Uche kok brok language uche movement khai tong mani. Omo tabok ang te chini central team pore kan bagai jeng khai liya. But nirok ni bagai si semua khai tunggu government no jeng omo si sirothai the present student borok bu Roman script ni naik nai jeng mas sirothai baksa kirigi pan mana jeng thangkang ke police by tok jang nai pujang nai rong jang nai nai ang nirok no kaisa kok kesar nai te sagamo sumani kom haisi ta kiridi jeng jefro strike call khai ge ani central team no ang samani kok mu jotongo sini president no bang saka ta kiridi any case enggang ke I am ready to take it boni bagi ani rono koinyai ta kiridi any movement TSF ni kana kang kene nironi participation jeng nangge baksa invite khaijaga naige ang nirono koinyai TSF tini omta khaijaga movement khainai ani kana kang kene kindly ang nirono request ke support khaije nai tini oro majority ang buri rono go nirono hambai 80% buri rogo ngai we are very privileged that nirok nuchini culture identity no preserve khai tongmani tini angoro pasajak oro ani sago tahnai je chini boroni je kanmung chumung kerei kaisa pan but chini buri rok nirok kaham khe omno preserve khai showcase kemen bai nirona hambai buskani salabo om tahaino ung thaini ang nirono koyo boni bagai jeng central team obo na chini divisional level rogo ang buri rongo specially koinai jeng leaders nanggo ang tini oro je asok jak jotono no koinai niro TSF ni tini fresh aro phaika but kindly TSF tambu boni samung tambu niro mo cheri nai di niro ni bising ang good leaders musugo everyone can be leaders jotono leader mana but good and great leader jeng nanggo boni bagai ang nirong no koinyai to be a good and great leader buri rok chini thangnai speaker rok saka tani omale jeng jotoni sigo sini dophawo jeng buri ni je leadership jeng belai ni tahanai low percent otong boni bagai ang nirong no koinyai ang sini leaders no bo koinyai jesini present leaders no jeng sak paisa jeng respect khaitai te leaders ni bo jeng kok khana thai klayo tabo jeng gobang ma khana gai mano backbiting ro khai kang jama chayang nai bun ba ni ro no bo koi nai good and great leaders jeng nang ka face to face salai nai boni bagi ang nirono koi nai bastang ni salo sini kaisa movement jeng cengjang nai jeng thangnai October ro sini agenda jeng kaisa place khaika ang o platform no jora ka hamnei waso ko pon bai ang tini saganai waso man klayo illegal migrants otoi jeng movement cengjang nai tini oro joto asuk jak nironi participation nironi support nango baksa hongoi mana success deng no sung try si khai ka bai ka success ngai ba boni bagai baskani salo nironi support ang nirok no nukamu sugu chini movement rogo baksa sagai mana kok borong ni movement si paya ko sung tanggai alka movement no sung start khane hnai chini movement success ni one reason si misi tini oro maximum ang mia fronum TSF Delhi by kok samani aroni general secretary by borong ke Tuipra student federation net Tuipra student forum ang borong no sangka nirong ni samung function bahaibe aro borong ano sago jeng just student no admission khaigani PG hostel lo provide khaigani aro sung help khaigani ano directly saka jeng TSF Tripura te alkoba haya jeng politically involved yang sago ang masa kapono TSF sung kaisa independent organization but for the greater interest of people again ichingna sung kaisa election focus sung political party support kai asuk simisi but sini control joto sini central tunggu MC tunggu sini divisional tunggu tung borong ni yago sama clear mang ini yang borno saka boni bagai confused tang di niro college ka hango admission nagane thangmahai organization no enroll ngani skangbo do a proper homework kaha ke naidi bomo niro ni bagai cha ya amon niro no koinai jeng fresher phagang ke cultural program to sung khailen sarai ko bunero ni tong nai we should enjoy college life on ke tong thok thainya but kaisa ozon tong in a good ways ang jafro college pore ge ang taunai horok thubrong ke ang bo waisai su mama soku college so tong pro teisa friend circle by involve kang ke chakamang Kebang mat tribe tunggu sini stage do, but jeng cuma lagi kita bok, jeng unity ni kok saga, but unity kerai, bahagia. Jeng orang tini hall bising ke, only I can guarantee, kok rock speaking people similar asu sang nai. Orang angke punya hanya saga ni naimani ya, but the relative fact sama accept makanya. Jeng unity ni kok saga angke. Ang cini town committee president na ang bono remind kaiga pokang te sing bono mas saman tonggo jeng alka student organization no bo invite kema kang ke belanya sa kamang hunoi tani amale jeng wasoku borok sumai chali thang hanoi no it's not like that amo chini na chaya jeng borok no neglect kemani jeng musogo chini kok no borok mathang hanoi haifena Sung try de kai kana boron kong no magani. Can anyone speak that long? Rangkol kai peng molson. Sung maya. But sung expect kai ge boron no bo sini kok purangani. Sung boron ni bisin bu great leaders magai mano. Bon bagai ang zaman sak sini thangnai movement dogo bang joto student organization no ang invite kai mani. Haifana borok direct clearly ano samani tongo. We feel discriminated. Omo ang Tripura phai simi khnamania. Jefrang Silong tong aprobo khnaka. Boni bagai ang nirono koinai. Sung om tai ke discrimination khai kang ke sini bising unity tonglak. Te sini any movement success sanglak. Sung simi suri lainai. Sini demand no but sini movement success sanglak. Boni bagai om tai thoughts rock no sung kimi maro lainai. Bos kang salang nirono koinai to mingle with all the tribe students. Delio same situation. Tana male ang omo face kami ni bagai je khanai phemani Shillong panang teng ami apor usang ka Delhi forum no. Aroki kok borok speaker simide yes misal. Engang sangka tanggai alka tribe melek rei. Ini sama nih, borok pore naik sih kerja orang isal. Enggak langsung how come? Tanah yang kaipeng fresh atau bang manjaka. Ang borok nopo omno kok kesar. Nirok khazak ni tawan sokde. Sini ketal team, sini ketal leadership. Sung try kanai zaman sak. Sung nirok no platform lo kani. Ang omno nirok no koi nai. Boni bagai sung bus kang salo. Ang nirok no koi nai. To mingle with all the tribe students, make friends. Sini lady, boni bagai, fresher especially, as you are taking new step to your journey. Make proud to your parents, to your society, contribute kai kelang di society no. Jeng pore gai simi chakri mangai, nije simi nok ki sagai gari pai khengnya. Let's give something. Bun ba ang nirano koy nay. You can be in any field. Zepa field kami mari, you can be teacher, you can be doctor, engineer. You can be a politician also, but contribute something to your society. Don't be selfish. Jeng selfish ang ke sini society na tolak keleg nai. Jeng saksak simi develop nai. Boni bagai ang nirano omonu koy nai. TSF ni engai nirok tini fresh arop hai mahainya. Sini any movement obo nirok support khai di nai ani koy mong. Buskani salo malayana malai kebe. Nirok tini orok kebang ma makang sini apa nang limana malai ke kok sadi. Thank you very much to all my friends and all the leaders sitting over here. TSF